Hello, listeners! Welcome back to another episode of Nature and Science for Kids. This is a mini episode, which means I'm just sharing briefly about something. And I wanted to share briefly about the world population of birds. I have here before me a magazine from June 2021. Research was done at the University of New South Wales in Australia, and they estimate that there are about 50 billion individual wild birds in the world. 50 billion with a B. That sounds like a lot of birds. That is a lot of birds. In fact, that's so many, that's about 6 birds for every human. Do you know what the top 3 birds are, according to actual numbers? This is all estimated. They don't know for sure, but in third place, ring-billed gulls. Second place, European starling, and I've seen lots of those. And the number 1 bird in the world, as far as how many there are, is the house sparrow. You see these guys and you hear them throughout cities all around the world. When I hear them, I feel like I'm in some suburban area. Isaac, I want to say happy birthday. However, this was supposed to be published. In fact, it was recorded specifically for your day, your birthday. And yet somehow there was cross connection with which episode was uploaded. And, well, I guess you get to extend your birthday celebration. Isaac, I hope you've had a wonderful birthday celebration. Listeners, if you're interested in receiving a birthday shout out and you haven't already signed up or are not supporting on Patreon, well, then you can do that. Click on the show notes, go to patreon.com and support the podcast, and you can also receive a birthday shout out or a t-shirt or other things. I'm Moosejaw Matt. Until next time, keep exploring your world.